Hey TechKnowStuds! In this video, we're going to go over a VLSM problem, but this time we're going to use the subnetting table as a visualization on how this gets broken down. This could be an easy tool for you to use when you're subnetting. So let's jump into the subnetting table and how to use it for VLSM. In this scenario, we have a 192.168.20.0/24 address to work with, network to work with. We need to provide for 5 different networks. And the first network is going to need 25 hosts, the next one 12 hosts, then 8, and then 2 networks that just need 2 hosts each. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I need to account for, I like to start with the largest one. That makes this whole process a lot easier. The largest one is 25 hosts. So I look for something that can provide for 25 hosts. So this wouldn't be able to provide for 25 hosts. It's not enough. This would be able to provide for 25 hosts. We've got 32 hosts. That's a range of 32 IP addresses altogether. This could also provide that, but then we have a lot of excess. So I'm going to ignore that one right there. So the one that I'm going to want is this one right here. And I need to borrow 3 bits to make that happen. So the address for this is going to be 192.168.20. It's the first in that range, which is .0, and slash, we're borrowing 3 bits. So 3 plus 24 is 27. So it would be a /27. So there's my first network. Then I take a look at my next network. So this one needs 12. This would provide another 32, which is too much. So I'm going to go to the next one down, and that's going to provide 16 addresses, or actually 14 usable addresses. So that's the one that I'm going to want to take. So this network is going to be 192.168.20, and it starts with the 32, so 32 slash, and this is borrowing 4 bits, so 28. It'll be /28. Now I've just used up this block, and I wouldn't want to use anything else below this, would be because then it would overlap. Okay, next one is 8 bits. So this provides for 16 bits. So we could go to the next one down, and that would be 8 bits right there. But the problem with that is we need 8 usable, and this would not provide for 8 usable bits. So we would have to use this next block right here, which gives us 14 usable. So we'll use that one. So this one's a 192.168.20 and it starts with a 48. So 48 slash, and that is another 28 right there. Okay, next what we want is to provide for this 2 network right here. So I look at my next one here. The 2, if I just need 2 hosts here and I wouldn't want any extra, this would give me 64. That would give me 4 hosts total, 2 usable. So that would work right there. So I'm going to take this block right here, and to do that, I'm going to type in 192.168.20, and the first usable host in there is a .64, and that is going to be a /30. So since I'm borrowing 6 bits. All right. And the next one would be a .68 is the network address. So 192.168.20.68/30. There you have it. So now I have figured out how to break this down using variable length subnet mask to meet the needs of all of these different networks without wasting any extra addresses.